Hello, this is Kim Dowry. I'm the product manager for Vulcan Steam. And today I'm going to share some information with you about our countertop kettles. The countertop kettles come in 6 and 12 gallons. They offer a double wall construction, providing rapid, gentle heat. You can have safe overnight cooking. You also have less scorching with 3 times the heated surface versus a stock pot. This frees up space on your range. The first feature that I would like to talk about is our heavy-duty reinforced rim. A lot of chefs like to take their spoon or spatula and beat on the rim to get the food off of their spatula or spoon, and they will end up damaging or denting the rim of the kettle. We also have a butterfly pour spout. This allows a controlled pour. It also allows portion control and no accidents of spilling food. The kettle has an ellipsoidal bottom, and it makes it very simple to clean. The next thing is our electric heating elements. They are removable and they're field serviceable, so it's very low maintenance and downtime for that end user. The last thing that I want to talk about is our embossed gallon and liter markings. These are for accurate portion control and food cost. So let's recap. We have the reinforced heavy-duty rim, the butterfly pour spout, the ellipsoidal bottom, electric heating elements, and the embossed gallon and liter markings. Please reach out to your rep today, your Vulcan rep, and ask for more information. And we appreciate you watching the video.